What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So check it. Today I got something special. At a car show right now, and it's pretty cool. Got some nice cars out here. And real quick, everything bad that I said about the Cybertruck, I'm gonna take that back right now. I'm gonna walk that back right now. No more jokes about the Cybertruck, anything. All right. I got a chance to check one of these things out, actually two of these things out, and they're absolutely amazing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I got a chance to walk around this thing, inside this thing, outside this thing. And yes, while it may look weird, this thing has some crazy cool functions on it. I mean, it's wow. All right. So I'm walking back everything I ever said about the Tesla truck. Everything. This thing is dope.
Why not? Don't you sleep behind the wheel now?
Dude, I put my full flip flop on.
It does. Mine drove us all the way here.
You can actually daily drive this thing, no problems. So, I mean, I'm walking back everything I said about the Cybertruck. Everything. All right? So there you have it. No more jokes about the Cybertruck. Check this guy out right here. Oh, snap. Got a Honda Del Sol over here. The Honda Del Sol. Not gonna lie. I loved this vehicle. Had one when I was in Germany. Sheesh. I don't know what it was, though. I don't know what it was. I don't even know why I was crazy about this vehicle. But I had one. I might find a picture and post it in here. Sheesh. This thing is a beast. Super loud. You tell you don't bring it out much. That inspection sticker, player. Got Mustang Row here. Uh-oh, look what's hiding in there. Sheesh.
So is that what he'll drive?
All right, let's see if he took care of that inspection sticker. He did. What's going on, dog? Chilling, man. All right. I don't think he's coming up. I think he's probably leaving.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's hectic. That McLaren 765 LT. Woo! Yes.